Hello, and welcome back to John R. Prospecting. Today, we are going to be going through a couple of different bags of pay dirt from Kenai Gold. The Black Sand Challenge, the .1, the sampler bag, the .2 bag, the Kenai quarter pounder, and the .3 bag. They are in order from the lowest price to the highest price. We're going to see which one out of those 6 different bags, which bag has the better ROI, and to see how much gold we get out of them. Now, a couple of them, I do have 2 bags, so we are actually going to be comparing as well the 2 bags. Which bag has more or less gold in it, and then we're going to figure out the ROI as well between both of the same bags also, and then an overall ROI. I placed this order with one order back in October 11th, 2022 for all 9 of these bags, and I'd figure I'd see which bag has the best ROI. Now, the most expensive bag here is the .300 guaranteed gold bag. That is this one here. That bag was $27.99. So all of these bags starting at $12.99 going up to $27.99. Figure it's a good range if you just wanted to buy like a $13 or $14 bag. All right, I'm not going to check the bags for black sand or anything. We're just going to start panning each bag. So let me go get my catch pan, my panning pan with some water so we could start panning these bags out. So we shall be right back when we're ready to start panning those bags. All right, so we are ready to start panning out those bags. I think we're going to start off with the .1 bag. There's a bag of pay dirt we're going to start panning out first. So let's open her up. Oh, yikes, it's open. Wasn't expecting the zipper not to be zipped. Hopefully we didn't lose any gold. Now the weird thing is it's actually zipped right there. See, now I'm opening up the zipper part on the Ziploc part of these bags. All right. So we have actually panned this material before. I've done, I don't remember if it was just one of their sample bags, but I know I've done the sample bag and the silver pay dirt, as well as the Nugget Challenge pay dirt from Kenai Gold. Material's not too hard to go through. If I do remember from these bags, the sample bags, the gold was really fine. It was like flour gold. We're going to see, hopefully all these bags don't have flour gold in it. And I really don't think I'll be panning each and every bag on camera. It's windy like crazy outside right now. We're in a severe thunderstorm warning, tornado watch right now. So it's pretty bad right now outside. Super windy. I don't think there's any gold yet. Maybe one tiny little speck right there. Yep. Think I'm gonna pour out some more material. I want to see some gold. That's why I poured so much in the pan. Alright, so I think I'm going to finish panning this, and we're going to come back when we're done panning this bag out. So we shall be right back. Alright, we just got done going through the 0.1 guaranteed gold bag from Kenai. So let me show you the gold that we got from the bag. Now I'm really shocked about this. I expected a lot more finer gold. So there you go. Let me zoom you guys in. There you go. Look at that. There's one picker, 20 pieces of gold I could actually pick up with the tweezers, and then all the super fine gold. I think it's gold. It stayed in the pan. It stayed up there while I back panned the material. But this right here is definitely a picker. I could definitely pick it up with my finger. So this is going to have majority of the weight, if not all of it, which is really shocking. So, all right, let me zoom you guys back out. All right, so let me get that picker back. All right, so I'm gonna suck this gold up. All right, I'm gonna go through this little bit of material just to make sure I did not leave or miss any gold. And I'm gonna take all this gold, get it in one of these metal cups so it could start drying, and then we'll come back before we start panning out another bag. So we shall be right back. All right, so we got all the gold out of the snuffer bottle. Let me show you the gold from the 0.1 bag. There you go. Not too much, as you guys could see. Basically one picker and the rest 20 pieces of finer gold. All right. So now let's actually go through the sampler bag. All right, let's open it up in here, inside the pan. I don't want no material to not go into the pan, so. All right, so I think I'm gonna go pan it really quick, and we're gonna come back when we're all done panning that sampler bag. So we shall be right back. All right, so we finally got done going through the first sampler Paydirt bag. So let me show you the gold that we got from that bag. Again, very shocked. Let me zoom you guys in. There you go. A lot of super fine gold. There's probably about 30 to 40 pieces there. I'm going to take a guess on. And I think that one right there in the middle is probably the biggest piece. Not too bad. Let me zoom you guys out. All right. So now we are going to suck that gold up in the snuffer bottle. All right. So I'm going to go through that material one more time, and now we're going to go do the snuffer dump, so we shall be right back. Alright, so we got everything out of the pans here. We cleaned them up. We did our snuffer dump, so let me show you the gold. There you go. Not too much. So it's going to be interesting to see what that weighs up to. So, all right. So I'm actually thinking about going through the 0.2 bag. So let's open her up and let's pan her out. Again, no material inside the little Ziploc here. Alright, so I'm going to go pan this bag out. We shall be back when we get done panning it out. Alright, so we just got done panning out that 0.2 bag. So let me show you the gold that we got. And let me zoom you guys in. Check it out. That's two very nice size pickers, a little bit chunkier gold, and the rest up in here is all super fine gold. Very awesome. Tell you one thing, it's really nice seeing more gold in the pan after panning out that material. So let me zoom you guys back out. All right, so now we're gonna suck this gold up in the snuffer bottle. Alright, so I'm going to go through that material one more time, and we're going to come back after we do the snuffer dump, so we shall be right back. Alright, so we got all the gold out of the snuffer bottle for the third bag. There it is. Very cool. So now we're going to start going through another bag. So I actually want to see if I'm going to go through one of these black sand challenge bags. I want to see if this is all black sand or if there's actually other material in here. So let's actually open it up and see how this bag is. So it don't look like it's all black sand. There is blonde material in there. So let's pour it out and take a look at the material. There is quite a bit of black sand in there though. Well, looks like we're going to have our work cut out for us because I can't see any gold. So, alright, so I'm going to go get my panning station ready and we're going to start panning out this first black sand challenge bag. So we'll be right back when we are ready to start panning this out. We shall be right back. Alright, so we actually just went ahead and panned through that material, the black sand challenge bag. So let me just show you the gold that we got from the black sand challenge bag. There you go. Obviously it's still wet, but it's going to come out better when the gold is dry. So, like I said, I'm just going to start showing you the bag that we're going to be going through, and now I'm just going to go pan it out. This way, this video is not way too long. So, I'm actually going to go pan out the sampler bag, and we'll be back when we get done panning it out. So, we shall be back when we get done panning the second sampler bag. Alright, so we just got done panning through that second sampler bag. Let me show you the gold that we got from that bag. It's a little wet, but not too much compared to the first one, so I don't know. As you could tell the difference, so we shall see. Very shocked, and I did go through that material 2 times. So now I'm gonna pan out the second black sand challenge bag, and we'll be back when we get done panning it out so I can show you the gold. So we shall be right back. All right, so I am done panning out the black sand challenge bag. Let me show you the gold from what we panned out. Not too much. Pretty interesting to see what these weigh up to. So I'm gonna go pan out this 0.2 bag. We'll be back when we get done panning it out. All right, so I am ready to start panning out the 0.2 bag. So let's open it up. And again, there's the material. So let's pan it out. Got almost all the material in there, so I'm gonna come back when we're all done panning this 0.2 bag out so I could show you the gold that we got. So we shall be right back. All right, I just got done panning the 0.2 bag out. So let me show you the gold that we got. Quite shocked about it. Let me zoom you guys in. Check it out. Lots of chunkier gold in there too. The pieces look nice size. We got this one nice big piece here. And this other one there. Very nice. And there's still a lot of super fine gold in there too. Let me zoom you guys back out. Now I'm gonna go clean this up. We'll be back when we get the gold in one of the metal cups here. So we shall be right back. All right, so we got all that gold cleaned up. Let me show you the gold. As you guys can see, it is still just a little bit wet. So we got to get it dry so I could show you. So I guess we're gonna get ready to pan out the 1/4 pounder. So let me go get everything ready and we'll be back so we could start panning out the Kenai 1/4 pounder bag of pay dirt. So we shall be right back. All right, I am ready. I got my panning station ready. I do have some jet dry in the water. So we got our Kenai 1/4 pounder. Let's open her up. Take a look at the material. Looks the same as the other bags there. It's going to be interesting to see what we get out of this bag. Looks about half of the material. So let's start panning it out. There is some bigger stuff in here as well, or at least more bigger material. And again, I think I'm gonna go finish panning it. We'll be back when we get done with the material so I could show you the gold from the 1/4 pounder bag. So we shall be right back. All right, so we just got done panning out the 1/4 pounder. Let me show you the gold that we got from that bag. Check it out. One nice big old picker and lots of super fine gold. So very cool. We got our last bag, which is the 0.3. So let me go get everything ready and we'll be back so we could pan out the last bag. So we'll be right back. All right, I got the panning station already. We got some nice clean water. We already got some jet dry in there. So let's open the 0.3 bag up. All right. A little tricky to open it up. I guess I didn't open it up far enough. But there we go. Seal just got broke. We're in the bag. So there's the material. Again, just like the other 7 or 8 bags. So let's start panning it out. Again, looks like there's more bigger material in the bag. Had to get the water clean a little bit so I could see the material. It's definitely going to be nice seeing some gold in the pan finally. Man, haven't really seen much gold really. Alright, so I think we're going to come back when we get all the material panned out so we could show you the gold from the 0.3 bag. We shall be right back. Alright, so we just got done panning out and cleaning up the 0.3 bag. So let me show you the gold that we found. And it is still wet. Now we just got to go get the gold all dried up so we can weigh everything up. It's going to be interesting to see what all that stuff weighs. 9 bags total. And again, I am going to be figuring out the ROI on each bag at the cost. So we'll be back when the gold is all dried up. Alright, so all of the gold is dried up. So now let's weigh them up and let's see what our ROI is. Alright, I am back. I did repan the sampler bag, which was bag number 5. I repanned the 0.3 bag, and I repanned bag number 6. I found one tiny little speck. I really doubt it's going to change the weight of the gold in this bag, and the other 2 I did not find anything. So let's show you guys the gold value and the ROIs for each of those 9 bags. So I ordered the bags on October 11th, 2022. Gold was $1,680.40 per ounce, which comes to $54.03 per gram. So the price for the bags, so the 0.1 bag was $13.99. I recovered 0.115 of gold. The gold value was $6.21, so we got an ROI of 44%. Bag number 2, which is the sampler bag, was $14.99. We recovered 0.105 grams. The gold value is $5.67 with an ROI of 38%. Bag number 3 was $18.99. That was the 0.2 bag. We recovered 0.190 grams of gold. The gold value on that is $10.26.5. Makes our ROI of 54%. Bag number 4 was $12.99. We recovered 0.140 grams of gold. The gold value is $7.57 with an ROI of 58%. Bag number 5, the sampler bag, it was $14.99. Gold recovered was 0.045 grams. Gold value is $2.43, which makes our ROI is 16% Not good at all. Bag number 6, a little bit better, was $12.99. We recovered 0.095 grams of gold. Gold value was $5.13.5. Makes our ROI 39%. Bag number 7 was the 0.2 bag, was $18.99. The gold recovered was 0.250. The gold value was $13.51. Makes our ROI is 71%. That one was pretty good. Bag number 8, the Kenai quarter pounder, was $22.99. The gold value was 0.225. Our gold value was $12.16. Gets our ROI at a 52%. And bag number 9, the 0.3 bag, was $27.99. We recovered 0.235 of gold. Our gold value was $12.70. Makes our ROI of 45%. And I'll have a still picture of this at the end of the video so you guys could take a look at it. But that's what we got. These are my results. Your guys' results may vary. So now what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go take a picture of all the gold with the bags so you guys can take a look at them. And we're going to come back and we're going to weigh all the gold from all the bags and then get the last ROI of my total price that I paid against all the gold that we recovered and see what kind of an ROI I got. So we'll be back after I take the pictures so we can weigh up the gold. So we shall be right back. Alright, we are back. So now we're actually going to weigh up all the gold together, and once we get the weight, we're going to see the ROI on all the gold combined compared to how much I paid for all 9 of those bags. So let's weigh up some gold. We got our scale. Let's open her up. We got her turned on. Let's put the boat on. All right, let's zero it out. And let's put the 0.1 bag on there. All right, so there's the 0.1 bag. Let's put the 0.2 bag on there now. And let's put, that was the sampler bag, sorry. Now let's put the 0.2 bag on there. Okay. Let's put the first Black Sand Challenge gold on there. And now let's put the second sampler bag on there. And let's put the second Black Sand Challenge gold on there. And now we got the 0.2 bag. finally almost at a gram. This is the Kenai quarter pounder gold. And let's put the gold from the 0.3 bag on there. All right, so our grand total is 1.415 grams. So I'm actually going to go, oh, there we go, 1.420. So I'm going to write this down. All right. So I wrote down 1.420 grams. And now I'm going to go figure out the all gold ROI. So we shall be right 1.4. We're gonna stay with the 1.420. So we shall be right back. All right, so we finally figured out the value of the gold and the ROI. So all gold recovered was 1.420. The gold value is $76.72, and that was at $54.03 per gram. The all gold ROI is 53.6%. I mean, it's not a terrible ROI, but I wish those couple of bags had a little bit more gold in. Other than that, it was a fun challenge to do between the Kenai Gold's all the bags under 30 bucks, I'd say. Most of them under 20. So, I don't know. But let's put the gold in our gold case here. Let's see. This is what we wrote down. We wrote down Kenai Gold, 9 bags of paydirt. We're going to write down 1.420 grams. So let me show you what we wrote down. Kenai Gold, 9 bags of paydirt, 1.420 grams. So now let's put the gold in the gold case here. Got to make sure we get all the gold. All right. So there's the gold. All right. So again, it was a interesting challenge between Kenai Gold's bags of paydirt. Had a blast going through each and every one of them. And even the black sand challenge bags, it was fun going through those as well. If you guys haven't already, please hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And I just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Be safe, be well, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.